Israel provides US evidence of Iranian drones used in Ukraine. Israel President Isaac Herzog said he has provided intelligence information to the United States to prove the use of Iranian drones controlled by Russia in the Ukrainian war. Iranian weapons played a key role in destabilization of our world, Herzog said on Tuesday during a visit to the United States. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken said Iran's delivery of drones to Russia had horrible consequences in Ukraine. Herzog said the international community must learn its lessons and speak to Iran in hard, undivided and uncompromising language, Herzog said. According to the Israeli presidential office, Herzog shared with the US image showing similarities between drones shot down in Ukraine and component tested in Iran in December 2021 and presented at an exhibition in 2014. On Monday, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky spoke at a conference organized by the Israeli newspaper Haaretz about around 2,000 shaded-type drones in the Moscow had ordered from Tehran. Zelensky also accused the Israeli government of favoring an alliance between Russia and Iran with its neutral stance. Despite the findings about the use of Iranian drones in Ukraine, Israel has so far held back in the Russian war of aggression with the support of Ukraine. So far, Israel has not been willing to provide Ukraine with the state-of-the-art Iron Dome anti-aircraft shield development jointly with the United States. Russia's active military role in Israel's neighborhood state of Syria plays a role here. What do you think?